In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to Systemi.io step by step. This process is essential for anyone looking to keep track of their web traffic and get deeper insights into their online performance. First, you'll want to go to your Google Analytics account. If you haven't already signed in, make sure to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Google Analytics dashboard showcasing a wealth of data about the metrics you've been gathering. It's within this space that we'll begin our configuration. Navigate to the admin section and look for the option that allows you to create a new property. Clicking create is your next move. This step essentially sets the stage for you to integrate a new website or application into your analytics tracking. You should see an option labeled property. Click on that to bring up a dialog where you can enter the name of your new property. Here you'll need to type in Systemi.io as the property name, as that's the name of the platform we're integrating. After naming your property, click on Next. This will take you to a window where you'll have to choose the business settings that best align with your needs. Whether you're operating within e-commerce, content creation, or another field, select the business category that fits your operation best. Following this, also choose the industry category that represents your focus area. This information helps tailor the kind of analytics data you're going to collect, offering greater specificity in your reports. Once you've made those selections, proceed by clicking Next again. This step takes you towards defining your objectives. It'll ask you to choose the objective of the analytics you're collecting. Consider what your primary goals are, whether it's boosting conversions, increasing traffic, or something else entirely, and make the selection that best fits. Following this, click on Create to finalize the setup of your property within Google Analytics. Once the property is created, you will need to choose the platform relevant to your needs. Enter the website URL for your Systemi.io domain name. It is important that this URL is accurate to ensure proper data collection. Now it's time to enter the stream information by providing the stream name Systemi.io. Then hit Create Stream to set up a data stream specifically for this property. After doing this, Google Analytics will generate a tracking code for you. It's essential to copy this code as you'll be pasting it into Systemi.io in just a moment. The next part of the process takes us over to Systemi.io. Once in your Systemi.io account, head over to Settings and navigate to the Sales Funnel section. Within this area, you'll find a space to insert your tracking code. This is where you'll paste the code you copied earlier, essentially embedding Google Analytics within your Systemi.io funnel. Finally, make sure all your efforts go to good use by hitting Save. Your Google Analytics is now successfully connected to Systemi.io and you're all set to start gathering valuable insights.